Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Chipotle app not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first need to do is make sure the Chipotle app is up to date. So go to your Player App Store, search for Chipotle. If there's any updates, go ahead and update the app. The second fix we can try is clear the app cache. So click and hold down on the app, click on IDA app info, scroll down, click on the storage and clear cache. Another thing what we can do is to test our internet connection. So a weak or unstable internet connection can prevent the app from functioning properly. So what we can try is switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app works on a different connection. You can also restart your Wi-Fi as well if you're on a Wi-Fi connection, and also run a speed test to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Another fix we can try is to check Chipotle service status. Just do a Google search, type in is Chipotle down, and then it will come to Google search results. And Down Detector is one of the most popular third-party sites for this. So go ahead and click into Down Detector, and then it'll tell you if there's any issues with the app, and you can see all the different type of issues and reports here. So Chipotle outages reported in the last 24 hours. This can give you a strong indication if it's on the server side and not your side. If you got any VPNs running, so VPNs can interfere with apps functionality, so temporarily disable your VPN and try using the app again. If the app works without the VPN, considering adjusting your VPN settings or choosing a different server location. If it still is not working, we go ahead and uninstall Chipotle. So click and hold it, click on uninstall and re-download the app and then restart your phone.